talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on junior or you click here on calls. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you come here to show calls from other apps, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean show calls from other apps. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.